Welcome back to Smart Tape from Right Tape Outdoors, back with another video. Today, me and my mom are out looking for birds for the Great Backyard Bird Count. It is happening this weekend. And this is the pond we were ice skating at. And we have a male, female wood duck, and male and female mallard. Hopefully they'll have eggs this year at the campground. The mallards are over there. You can barely see them. Here, it's coming out right there. And now let's walk. That's the male and female. And now let's walk up there to see if we can find the wood duck. Come along with us. I thought the wood ducks might have been over there, but they're not. Let's go up here. Oh, God. Welcome back, and up here we just had a belted kingfisher. And one thing nice about belted kingfishers is they do not nest in like branches or in the ground. They actually nest in rocky areas. So if you have rocks around your house, make sure to look for their nest. Now there should be some wood ducks up here somewhere. There's the male and female mallard right here. What's the wood ducks here? Is it one now? I wonder where the wood ducks went, guys. Can't find them. Wood ducks right there. That's the male. I don't know where the female is. That's the boy. I don't know where the female is. Count. And back there we have a blue jay and two red-bellied woodpeckers. One is on this branch right where my finger is, right there. He was pecking a little while ago.